In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice tone in ElevenLabs. This skill can be really handy if you're looking to make your synthesized audio sound more natural or expressive. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection, as this will ensure a smooth experience without any interruptions. Once your browser is open, the next step is to log in to your ElevenLabs account. If you haven't already set up an account, it's straightforward to do so on their website. Logging in will give you full access to all the voice editing features you're going to need for this task. Now, for this example, we'll be focusing on using the 11v3 voice design. This version is specifically optimized for a realistic and dynamic audio output, which makes it perfect for experimenting with different voice tones. Having this setting will allow you to make full use of the advanced tools available in ElevenLabs. A great way to alter the tone of the voice is by manipulating pauses and spaces in your text. For instance, using hyphens or backslashes strategically can slow down speech to create a dramatic pause or emphasize certain points. Imagine you're writing a script and you want certain words or phrases to really stand out. You might insert a hyphen to signal a brief pause. This little trick can drastically change how listeners perceive your message. Adding emotions is another effective method of tone adjustment. In ElevenLabs, you can incorporate emotions directly into the text by placing them within square brackets. Let's say you want the voice to convey happiness or sorrow. Simply write happy or sad before the relevant section. This cool feature allows the synthesized voice to express emotions, adding layers of authenticity and engagement to your content. After you've made your adjustments, the next step is to click on the Generate Speech button. This will process the text through the ElevenLabs engine, applying all of your modifications to create a naturally expressive output. It's fascinating to hear your words transformed with these personalized nuances. Once you're satisfied with how your message sounds, you have the option to share or download the final product. You'll find these options easily accessible on your screen. It's always smart to save your work, giving you a readily available audio file for whatever project you have in mind. And there you have it, a concise guide to changing voice tone in ElevenLabs. With these steps, you can transform any text into a lively or emotionally resonant voice track, perfect for a variety of creative projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.